Hi car enthusiasts, welcome to your own YouTube channel, The Autoverse. Today we're diving into the luxurious 2025 Toyota Century, a model that takes refinement and performance to a whole new level. The 2025 Toyota Century is more than just a car, it's a symbol of Japanese craftsmanship and sophistication. Designed as Toyota's flagship sedan, this model is crafted with exceptional detail, blending traditional elegance with modern technology. Starting with the design, the exterior of the 2025 Century is refined and understated, yet incredibly sophisticated. The car has a strong, sleek body with a longer, wider stance that enhances its presence on the road. Toyota has maintained the classic styling cues that make the Century instantly recognizable, including the iconic Phoenix emblem, meticulously crafted chrome details, and an ultra-smooth, glossy finish. This model is for those who appreciate subtle luxury over flashy design. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped the Century with a powerful yet smooth hybrid V8 engine that delivers impressive performance while maintaining quiet operation and fuel efficiency. The hybrid system brings the best of both worlds, offering substantial horsepower along with better fuel economy, a rare balance in a luxury sedan. The Century suspension has also been optimized for supreme comfort, allowing for a near-silent ride that absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, ideal for long drives and high-end transport. Inside, the 2025 Century takes comfort to the highest level. The spacious cabin is fitted with premium materials, including hand-selected wood accents, soft leather seating, and state-of-the-art technology. Rear passengers experience first-class treatment with features like reclining seats, personal climate control, and advanced infotainment options designed to provide a smooth, immersive experience. The driver's seat isn't left out, featuring a user-friendly digital dashboard and intuitive controls that blend seamlessly with the cabin's luxurious look. The Century also comes packed with the latest Toyota Safety Sense technology, offering features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision prevention. These advancements make the Century one of the safest luxury sedans on the market, bringing peace of mind alongside premium comfort. In all, the 2025 Toyota Century represents an extraordinary blend of tradition, innovation, and elegance. It's designed for those who seek the utmost in luxury, sophistication, and reliability. Thanks for watching, and for more in-depth reviews, we'll see you in the next video.